First up, let's get you the latest from Chennai and Tamil Nadu. Chennai received 157 millimeters of rain in 24 hours. Strong winds prevailing since this morning. Winds of 45 to 55 gusting to 65 kilometers per hour expected in the area. In fact, at the airport, flights have been affected till 6 this evening. The weather department has forecast extremely heavy rainfall in Chennai and 6 more districts and Puducherry as well. So you can see there heavy rainfall in various parts of the state. Schools and colleges were shut today for the 4th day. Now, the depression over the Bay of Bengal is likely to cross the coast between Karaikal and Sriharikota by the evening. So, it will move out then from Tamil Nadu, and due to severe rain and heavy crosswinds, arrivals at Chennai's airport have remained suspended now till the evening.
More than 500 heavy-duty pumps have been deployed across low-lying locations to make sure water as much as possible is pumped out. More than 50 boats have also been deployed. After the very heavy rainfall last night, in fact 16 centimeters now, authorities say some pockets received, the southern part of Chennai has now begun to get inundated afresh. Places like Velachery, Pallikaranai, all are underwater. In fact, these are traditional low-lying areas, what they call as chronic inundation hotspots. In fact, we come to you from Pallikaranai, from the 12th floor of an apartment, from where you can see the lake here filled to its capacity and the road slicing through that completely, a part of it underwater, and the entire neighborhood in this area, be it workshops, be it independent houses, be it apartments, the ground floor underwater completely. In fact, traffic has been closed. This is the highway that connects the old Mahabalipuram road or the IT corridor with the Chennai airport. So this is now closed for traffic, and it's also windy now as we speak now. And this area also, although a traditional low-lying area, managed to be free from inundation over the last 4 days, but after overnight very heavy rainfall, the lake is full now and water is now, in fact the road is missing there. The water has completely covered that. And let's speak to some residents here. We have Karen and Naveen. Thank you very much for your time. You are fortunately on the 12th floor, but your neighborhood is completely underwater.
Yes, in the overnight the rains have inundated this place. Actually, last evening it was okay, 2 feet of the lake space was still there, but overnight it has just filled up, and as you can see on both the sides the lake has overflowed and covered the road.
Are you scared?
A little bit, because they say there's more rain coming, so we are thinking like in the next 2 or 3 days, if it gets more, then this whole road may be unapproachable even for the basic commodities which need to come and reach us.
Rainwater has entered the popular ESI hospital. This is in KK Nagar in Chennai. So there you can see water inside the hospital, in the waiting room, inside the wards as well. But a doctor at the hospital has said that all facilities, including OPDs, are operational with available manpower, and that the wards, including the COVID wards, have not been affected. This was quoted by Dr. Mahesh of the ESI hospital. But there you can see the water having entered the hospital.